I will meet you in the morning by the bright riverside, when all sorrow has drifted away. I'll be standing at the portals when the gates open wide, at the close of life's hard-weary day. I'll meet you in the morning, meet you in the morning. How do you do? How do you do? Sit down by the river, sit down by the river. Rapture arms, roll acquaintance renew. Know me in the morning, know me in the morning. Smiles that I wear, smiles that I wear. Meet you in the morning, meet you in the morning. City, city built that city built for sale. I will meet you in the morning, in the street by and by, and exchange the old cross for a crown. There will be no disappointment, and nobody shall die in that land where life's sun go and down. I will meet you